Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HandBrake for Apple TV friendly encoding presets. Detailed guide step by step clear. Begin by downloading and installing HandBrake from the official website. Once the installation is complete, launch HandBrake on your computer. You will see a welcome screen where you can either select a source or choose a file to encode. Select the video file you want to convert for Apple TV compatibility. After selecting the file, HandBrake will analyze it, which may take a moment. Once analysis is complete, the main interface will appear. On the right side, you'll find the Presets menu. Click on the Presets drop-down menu to reveal various encoding options. Scroll down to find Apple in the list of presets. Under the Apple category, you will see several options tailored for different Apple devices. Choose the preset that suits your Apple TV model. Typical choices might include Apple TV 1080p 30 or Apple TV 4K. After selecting your desired preset, you can customize settings if needed. Proceed to the Summary tab to confirm the format is set to MP4. Make sure the Web Optimized option is checked for smoother playback on Apple TV. Next, navigate to the Video tab to adjust the video codec if desired. H.264 is often recommended for Apple TV compatibility. You can also set the quality by adjusting the constant quality slider. A value around 20 is generally a good balance between quality and file size. If you need to adjust the audio settings, go to the Audio tab next. Ensure that the audio codec is compatible, like AAC or AC3. You can also select the desired audio tracks and set their bitrate. Once all settings are configured, choose a destination for your encoded file. Click on Browse next to the destination option to select a folder and name the file. When you're ready, click the Start Encode button located at the top. HandBrake will now begin the encoding process. You can monitor the progress in the bottom status bar. Once the encoding is complete, locate your encoded file in the destination folder. Now, transfer the file to your Apple TV using AirPlay or via a compatible media server. Your video is now ready for playback on your Apple TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.